Hi, in this video I'll be taking you through a quick introduction and walkthrough of the Azure Data Factory UI components to help you when you're creating ETL in the cloud. My name is Sarth. I'm a certified cloud architect in Microsoft and Google Technologies, and I also work as a data strategist. My role or my aim is to help make you use your data in a productive fashion and get you the outcome that you want in the right time. Okay? So the first thing you need to do to get into Azure Data Factory is to open up a web browser and then bring up the Azure portal using the link portal.azure.com. Once you log into the right portal, start up Azure Data Factory by clicking on this on either the dashboard or through the search window. For this purposes of this, I'm going to go through the search window. Okay, so click on Data Factories. You'll see a whole bunch of data factories come up. Just click on that. Now, the assumption here is you've already created an Azure Data Factory beforehand, and and I'll cover how to create one in a future video. Once you come into this Azure Data Factory blade, click on this, and it'll start up your Azure Data Factory Studio. Okay. So right off the bat, you go to the home screen, so you'll see a bunch of tasks that you can do that is useful for you. You can create new pipelines or new activities from Azure Data Factory on the home page itself. You can have a look at the recent sources you worked on. You can set up a few other bits and pieces. And if you want to access some tutorials or videos, they're available on the home screen as well. On the top right-hand side, you have updates. This is all the new changes coming to Azure Data Factory or new enhancements that have been made recently. If you've got multiple Data Factory in your subscription, you can switch between those quite easily from the studio itself. And the most important one that you need to be aware of is notifications. Any changes you make in Data Factory are logged, and you can see all the changes that have been made in there. And that includes executions as well. Okay. This is fairly minor. If you want to change the language, you can change the language. Okay. The next screen that I want to show you is the author window. So this is the main window for all your development efforts in Azure Data Factory. As you will notice, this one has been linked to a Azure or a GitHub repository. By default, it is not linked to anything unless you link it up manually. And I'll take you through a different video when I'm setting this up to show you how to get that link set up. This is your main canvas window where you would drag and drop various activities or tasks to run in sequence, and you would set up a control flow for them. Okay, this is just an example. The next one you'd see is the monitor window. The monitor window gives you, as the name implies, all the executions that have been made on this pipeline. In my particular scenario, there's nothing that's been set up yet or run in the last few months, which is why you're not able to see anything. So if I pick an earlier date, it'll give you all the execution information on it. Okay. I'll go through each one of these in a separate video. Suffice to say, you can monitor what's been run. Okay. The last one you would need to be aware of is the Manage window. Manage window has all the configuration information for your Azure Data Factory. So it has your connection services, connection strings to different services. You get configuration, your ARM templates if you want to deploy this somewhere else, your triggers, any parameters, any credentials, etc. So I hope I gave you a quick introduction to the Azure Data Factory environment. And like I said, and I will take you through some more additional features in a future video. Okay. So if you like my videos, please feel free to leave some comments in the comment section below on how I can improve. Or additionally, just click the subscribe and follow button so you get notified when new releases come out. Okay. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.